using data validation in your Google Sheets. So I have my sheet here and I have a cell that I've selected and I want to add data validation to this cell. So I click data and go down to data validation. And it's going to give me a bunch of different choices after I add the rule. And the first one, of course, is drop down, but there's a video on that. So there's text, there's dates. I can even add numbers to this, and only specific data can go into this data validation cell. So I'm going to choose text contains, and I want it to contain the word yes. All right. I'm not going to add any help text to this. And if the data is invalid, I want it to reject the input. Okay, it's got to be exact. All right. So now I'm going to test this out and see how this works. So in my little cell here, I'm going to type the word no when it should be yes. And so, oh wait, the data is incorrect. It cannot. So I'm going to go down to the one below it here. I'm going to type in hello. Okay. All right, that's fine. I'm going to go back up in here. I'm going to type hello in here too. Oh, nope, I can't do that because of the data validation. So if I type in yes, it took yes, but it wouldn't take hello because yes is the word that belongs in there for the data validation. All right, that's awesome. If I don't want it there anymore, I can just remove that particular rule. Super easy. All right, so I removed it, and now I can type whatever I want into that cell. So let's see, I'm going to go ahead and type hello into the cell that we had to only use yes. And you can see my data validation is now gone. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Google.